And I hope you're ready for the wow effect.
Nice. Do you have Wi-Fi by any chance?
My friend, let me introduce you to this hidden treasure. 200 square meter apartment. I mean, wow.
Cool.
And of course, it's fully furnished. This is just one out of the 3 bathrooms with comfortable marble bathtub.
This is comfortable.
Yeah, and also this faucet from Milano. I mean, like, look at this. Oh, and I'm sure you're already familiar with this piece of art.
Yes?
And that's a huge plus for this apartment. Very tasteful decoration. Lovely. And when you thought it couldn't get any better, just wait. Look at this magnificent view. I mean, wow.
I'm actually a little cold up here, eh?
Okay.
Oh. Hey, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estamos? ¿Estamos bien? Sí, bueno, aquí estoy dando una vuelta por la... A ver, que me están enseñando la casa. Esta casa no me gusta en nada, es un desastre. No me gustan ni las habitaciones, no me gusta la cocina, no me gusta nada. Y el tío me ha empezado a enseñar arte, un vaso de colores, un absoluto desastre. Te llamo luego. I want this place. Give me the contract right now.
I need to send your application to the landowner, okay?
Give me the contract right now. La madre que me parió.
I don't speak Greek.
Are we doing this?